Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to connect Insightly to Outlook? This tutorial will walk you through the steps to integrate Insightly with Outlook, ensuring your emails and contacts are synchronized. Follow these steps to streamline your workflow. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first thing first, go ahead and open Insightly.com. Right after that, log into your account and make sure to simply join with your Gmail or Microsoft account to make the login faster. I do this with most of the websites so I can make the process of logging in very much faster. Guys, if you didn't know, you can bypass this process of putting your number in here simply by using F12, and as you can see, I'm inside the website. Now, how can we integrate our account with Outlook? First of all, we have to make sure that Outlook is one of the apps that we can connect to. So go to the system settings, go all the way down, and you will have here integrations. You could go and search for App Connect, or you could go for integration list and you'll have these apps. So usually I would go for App Connect, and as you can see, in case you didn't find any the app that you would like, you can contact growthinsight.com, and here we'll have the integration list with the most of apps that you can integrate. Here we will have other apps we can integrate to. So for example, there is Asana, there is Gmail, Jira, Okta, and so much more. Let's search here for Outlook, and as you can see, here it is. So let's go ahead and click on it, and as you can see, inside the CRM and Outlook integration. So now all we need to do is to simply go ahead and do the integrations. So here we have the page that talks about the integration. For example, Outlook is a widely used email and personal information management software developed by Microsoft. It offers email communication, calendar organization, task management, and contact tracking. Outlook helps individuals and organizations manage their schedules, collaborate on projects, and stay organized by integrating various productivity features into one application. Now, why integrate Insightly and Outlook with App Connect? Well, it's unify tasks, emails, and contacts when you integrate Insightly and Outlook. Experience efficient CRM management, email communication, and improved productivity all in one integrated workspace. So you can have here use cases. You can integration Insightly and Outlook with App Connect. You can view Insightly CRM data from Outlook, easily search for and locate contacts, leads, opportunities, and projects linked to emails, gaining more visibility while eliminating the need to switch between your inbox and Insightly. So instead of opening multiple tabs in here, you could have one tab that has Insightly and Outlook in the same frame. You can save emails into Insightly with one click. Save time with the ability to save email communication directly to Insightly CRM from Outlook in a single click. You can enhance CRM information with notes, links, and new contacts and more. Here finally we have seamlessly synchronize your calendar events. Integrating Outlook with Insightly CRM gives you the ability to share your calendar across both platforms, as well as synchronize events and tasks, keeping appointment and task updated to time. Here you can connect 1,000 apps directly to Insightly, and basically in case you would like to actually connect these apps together, well, it's pretty simple. But at the same time, it might require a little bit of time. So what you have to do is to go ahead and request a demo, which will take you here. Let's choose what type of business do we have. For example, e-commerce. Here we have get a demo. We have to fulfill this information with the first name, last name, and a couple of other informations. So we have to basically put here, for example, these informations: company size 1 to 5, here phone number, for example, and here just submit it. And just like that, we will be able to actually get into the demo. Now we'll get connected with the next step soon, but this step of course will take a lot to be to be sent to us. Since this is basically just like a whitelist, so you have to, not a whitelist, but more like a wait list. So you have to wait a lot for your time to come. But this video is not something like that. We are going to actually show you the solution, which is basically by using Zapier. Zapier can skip all of that. It will literally give you the direct solution for this. So instead of waiting for the waitlist in here, you can simply go here to Zapier, go to apps. You have to connect with your account, of course. Go to here and search for Insightly. Let me just go ahead and click on connect right here, and as you can see, this is Insightly. You have to get an API key. So to find it, you simply have to click on your user page, user settings. Go here. Let me just remove this right quick. There we go. And we need to actually get the API key from here. So as you can see, we have the API key. I can literally copy it, go back here, and let me just try to connect them together. Let's see if it's gonna be like that. Alright, and there we go. The connection has been made successfully. Let's make sure that it is correctly done, so we can click on test connection. It should give us test successful. That means that we have connected Insightly correctly. Now let's check with Outlook if it is connected. There we go. The same thing has to be done with Outlook. I have here my account already connected. I don't have to redo it again, but you guys have to redo it. As you can see, you can go to Microsoft Outlook, click on connect, choose your account, put here your email and password, and then you will be able to get to the next step, which eventually gonna give you the access to Outlook. As I see here, let me just click on test connection right here as well. Test connection and the test error testing connection. That means I have to redo the connection, since this account has been 7 months ago when it was added, so I have to re-add it again. Now for this part we are done. Now how can we make the connection? Now we only connected both apps to Zapier, we didn't connect them together. What I'm gonna do is to simply click on create, click on Zaps, and I will be taken to this page. This page will give us this text field where we can go ahead and create our connection, but this has to be done using a prompt. So the AI will understand our prompt and basically gonna do the exact thing that we want them to do. So let's go ahead here and write what we want. For example, transfer emails contact from Outlook to Insightly. So something like that. So the trigger is basically gonna be maybe new email or something like that. Let's see what she's gonna give us. Okay, so this is basically something cute. So we have here whenever there is new contact, create a new record in Insightly. That's something nice. So add stuff to Zap, and now this is exactly what we have. Now we have to connect our accounts. Both accounts has to be connected. Here there is a problem with your this auth, contact support, or reconnect it here. Let's do this real quick. Let me go here. I guess I'm gonna go to my account settings. So we should click on the user system settings or user settings. Go right here, copy it. I'm gonna close this. I think it was this one, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check. There we go. Click on continue. Okay, here we have to choose some fields. For example, I'm gonna choose, of course, contact. There we go. Basically you have to fulfill the fields that has star in them, for example first name, etc. And this normally, once you have connected to Microsoft Outlook, it will be automatically answered, and then click on publish once everything is done. And just like that, you have made a connection between the Insightly account and the Outlook account using Zapier. And that was pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.